Okay, today is Saturday, June 10th. It's about 11:15 a.m. We are currently well into file transfer mode. That's got a couple hours left probably. Let's get outside away from the fans and the generators and stuff. Well, actually we'll probably be pretty close to the generator, or we'll hear the generator. How's that? Alright. Oh, good, it's windy outside. That makes it even better. Alright, first off, if you've ever wondered, that's where the gas tank is on the school bus, near the door. I'm going to see if it's feasible or possible. Well, in theory it should be quite easy, but we're going to siphon some gas out of the bus. Actually, we can put this on the tripod now. So the idea is there's, I think, at least 10 gallons of gas in the bus. And I'm not planning to drive the bus anytime soon. So I'm going to siphon most of it out. Anyway, so that gas can's got a little bit in it, so I'm going to dump that in the motorcycle first, and then we'll come back. Because once you get a siphon started, you really don't want it to stop. Right, okay, so hang on. We'll come back and we'll pick. Alright, we're about ready. Now there's several potential problems here. This hose that I'm using is not fuel rated at all. Alright. There's a possibility that the gas is just going to dissolve the hose, which would be bad. I mean, not immediately dangerous, but annoying probably, I think. So there's that. I got this clamp here. So what I'm hoping to do 60-gallon tank. I think I knew that. What I'm hoping to do is not suck right off the very bottom, because there's crap down there. Hopefully there's not a screen in there. Now, if you've ever siphoned gas, you know it doesn't taste very good. Try to avoid that. So what I'm hoping is I can suck it out this way. Holy cow, it worked already. Early success is confusing. Gas. How about that? Nice thing about a clear hose is you can see if it looks contaminated. Okay, while that's going, I'm going to grab the other gas can. Cool. One of those things where you think it should work, and then when it works, you're surprised. Kind of thing. Okay, it's going out at a decent trickle, so I'm going to take advantage of that time and with the rest fill the motorcycle all the way up with the other gas can. Okay, no smoking around the motorcycle for a bit. Just branded everywhere. I guess the good thing about working outdoors in the sun and the heat, the gas over there will evaporate very quickly. Alright. Working well. here right now. This one this was full, and I put that much in the motorcycle to fill it up. So we're going to top this one off, and then we'll go back to this one. That's about good enough for that. So I should be able to ride the rest of the week without buying gas, and then just fill up at home. So yay for me. And we're up to here already on this one. Now, as far as the motorcycle, we've got multiple things going on there. The chain has been an issue. That's one of the reasons I'm trying to save some gas money here. Oh crap, there's the air bubbles. Purposely trying not to hit the bottom of the tank, because water will settle to the bottom. About half. Here. Alright, that's good enough. Okay, I'm going to leave this somewhere outside, and what I want to do is kind of look at it in days, see if I can see any sign of the gas pump. The hose down, it's a vinyl hose. I can't imagine that's gas rated. I mean, it's for water. So anyway, that worked out well. So we got a motorcycle full and 2 gas cans.